Hey guys, welcome back to the Vlogs. Today, I'm going to be doing my slime collection. I do have two others, but they're unfortunately at my dad's house. But I will show the rest. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so this is the first slime. Sorry, I have to do it one-handed because I can't find anything to hold it up. Let's go. Oh, okay. I'll try to. That's something not gonna work. Okay, there. Sorry. My camera's being a poo-poo face. Okay. And I can't use the rest of my slime to hold it up because they won't. Apparently they're not allowed to. I mean, I could try to use all my slimes. We're getting ideas here. Okay, that's better. Sorry. So, this is my first slime. This is a normal slime. Sorry, you can't see it. Put it up here. It has a lot of hairs in it. I know. Oh my god, my camera's being poo-poo. Oh my god. There it is. Sorry, it's not very good angling. Okay. Next slime, where's the lid? That was just a normal slime. Next slime is this Slimy Heaven. I got this from a seller. And this is like a really sticky slime now. Even though I tried to fix it. Here it is. Okay, I can't take it out because it's too sticky. Okay, so the next slime is this slime. It's a bit sticky too. I'll take it out though. At least I'll try. Oh my god, no, it's sticking to me. Why does it have to stick to me? Do not stick to me. I know you're a sticky slime, but why do you have to be a sticky slime? Okay, there. Okay. That was that slime. This is another one from Slimy Heaven. The container broke for this one, so that's why it's in a different one. This is a butter slime. I also fixed this one. I didn't film these, by the way. Didn't fix. You can tell that was butter slime by the way you can do this. I'll try to spread it in my hand. Okay. Ready? Let me get a little piece. Chop it out. Oh. There. Sorry, I can't do this on my table. It's because my camera's being a poo face. Okay. Next one is also a butter slime. Okay. It's not sticky at all. Well, for me, some people it might be. You can definitely tell it's a butter slime because it spreads really well. I'll show you the spreading. And look how it makes bubbles again. The only thing I don't like about butter slime is that like you can barely poke it. Okay, let me get a little bit. Can't even break it. Okay, there. Put my hand. And it stretches really well. If you have this slime, you don't tell that it's butter slime, even without me saying it. Okay, open the container. And by the way, the other two that are at my dad's house, one is a, what's it called? Jelly cube slime. It feels like jelly cubes, not the slime with jelly cubes in. That's why I call it jelly cubes. This is another jelly cube slime. It literally feels like jelly. Look at this. Wow, so stretchy. And it makes all the flowing beads go everywhere. Listen to that. Yeah, and it makes me have flowing beads. Okay, next one's similar, but it's not the jelly cube. It looks the same, but it's not. It's actually a slime, super slime. This is not sticky whatsoever. It feels really nice to stretch because of the flame beads in it. Wow. I really love this slime. And this slime has been ruined. It has a bark in it. And it smells disgusting. Yeah, and it's really stiff and it doesn't even poke. It's not butter slime, by the way, because I only said that because the way it acts. Okay, they are all my slimes. So I have two more at my dad's house. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have 10 slimes. Comment down below what your favorite one. Pink butter slime was anyway. Normal flame bean slime. Hashtag jelly cube slime. Glossy slime. This one, normal slime. Gold slime. Flame slime. Orange butter slime. And then the other two are like, have blue, hashtag jelly cube slime. And I have, another glossy orange slime. Comment down below what one's your favourite. Even though you haven't seen the other two, just picture in your mind. And the orange one is really big. Bye!